Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite little tricks for connecting RTP MIDI sessions. Now standardly, your computer is going to create the session and it's going to be the initializer of the session with your interface. But we can actually make the interface the initiator of the session and connect back to the computer. You're wondering what the advantage of this is. This means that every time you start with your computer, you don't have to come into your network MIDI setup and find your participant and connect it. This means that the interface is automatically going to be searching for the computer, and as soon as it sees the computer, it's going to connect automatically for you. This can save you a lot of time and effort, and it's been a great little tip just to save everyone a little bit of time. So what I've done here is I've created a few sessions in my network. So test session 1 here, you can see I have the Bonjour name, which is going to be very important later. It's going to be iConnectivity 1. Then I have session 2, iConnectivity 2, session 3, iConnectivity 3. You can see that I actually created the local names different. It's because the local names are whatever you want them to be. It doesn't really matter. And then the Bonjour name, you can make it whatever you want, but just remember what you've made that session. So instead of actually clicking in the directory here and hitting connect, we're going to use this little program to make the interface connect automatically to your computer. So this program is going to be for download in the link below. So how I have this set up is initially you had to connect your interface via USB as well as Ethernet. And then after you have the setup done, you can disconnect the USB and it'll stay connecting via Ethernet. So select interface, hit search, and it'll show anything that's connected via USB. Obviously I want to play audio 12 because the audio 4 Plus does not have an Ethernet connection. Let's go to get settings, and you can see everything's set as responder. Session names are just generic. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go to session 1 here, and we're going to switch. I'm going to switch all these to initiator. You can just do 1 or 2 if you wish. It just depends on your preference. So remember when I said these Bonjour names are important? So I'm going to go to the first one here. I'm going to copy the Bonjour name from first session, and I'm going to paste it in there. Now one little thing to watch out for is when you change Bonjour names, it kind of stays highlighted. So make sure you hit enter or go somewhere else on the page to make sure that it actually takes the Bonjour name. I've had it a few times where I forgot to click out of the Bonjour name after I changed it, and it just goes to a default. So just heads up on that. Go to session 2. You're going to copy, paste it into session 2, session 3, again copy, and we'll put it in there. Now we're just going to hit save settings and watch the magic happen. So you can see session 3 already has this one connected from the PA12, session 2 connected, and session 1 connected. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions, let us know.